Introducing the M12 quarter-inch hex right-angle impact driver, part of the world's largest subcompact cordless system featuring over 70 tools from Milwaukee. The M12 quarter-inch hex right-angle impact driver provides the greatest access and the fastest driving speed to fit where other impacts can't and get the job done faster. A Milwaukee-designed impact mechanism delivers fast, reactionless fastening. The extended paddle switch makes it easy to control the tool at difficult angles or in small spaces. A 1.4-inch compact head allows for use in tight areas without sacrificing power. Delivering 600 inch-pounds of torque, the M12 quarter-inch hex right-angle impact driver outperforms other impact drivers in its class. The M12 quarter-inch hex right-angle impact driver from Milwaukee.